Hello and welcome to some grade 10 math. We are today going to just review the coordinate plane, the XY plane, whatever you may want to call it. We're using IXL to just have some examples to start that conversation. You can go there and practice. You can use many other platforms to get some generated questions to solidify your understanding of these and many other concepts. So let's have a look. So our XY plane, commonly called our coordinate plane, just consists of two number lines. Usually the horizontal number line is called the x-axis, and we have a vertical one and they're perpendicular crossing at where their zero sits. The vertical one is usually called the y-axis. Now this should be a review if you're looking at grade 10, but you never know. It's okay either way. So any point on this flat surface, this plane, can be referenced with these coordinates. So we're looking at the coordinates of point R. That's this pink guy over here. We're always going to use the horizontal number line that corresponds to it. So 5. So I'll type in a 5 there. And then, of course, there are many points here that have that coordinate 5. So I really do need both to uniquely specify that point R. And so the y coordinate that lines up with it is going to be a 1. So that point has coordinates 5, 1. And so these two coordinates, the x and y coordinates, can uniquely specify any point in this two-dimensional plane. Let's see another one. We want to know what are the coordinates of point D. Let me just scroll appropriately so we can see the question and a place for our answer. Point D. It's over here. X coordinate, follow it down to the x-axis, that's a 0. And it's already on the y-axis, but it corresponds to the y value on the y number line of 1. So the coordinates of point D is 0, 1. Remember always, horizontal x-axis first, then vertical y-axis, 0, 1. Let's do one more. Why not? This is a very brief introduction just to remember the coordinate plane or learn it for the first time. We all have different places in our journey where we are right now. We want to know point D. Point D is way over here. What do you think it is? X coordinate first. It lines up with x negative 5. And it lines up with y negative 4. So point D here, the blue one, has coordinates negative 5, negative 4. Fantastic. And that is pretty much, actually no, let's do this one. Let's do this one. I wanted to stop, but there's a little variation here. Given the coordinates negative 3, 0, which point is that? Well, it has to line up with x negative 3, which is this one, and there's no other one. And we can confirm it also lines up with y equal to 0. So it is W. W. Terrific. Now we can have a look at this one. Point R, T, S, X. Which one do you think has coordinates 3, negative 3? You can let me know in the comments. And also let me know if you have any other topic you would like to discuss, any questions, comments, concerns, criticisms, compliments, anything at all. So leave this answer. What do you think is the answer? Leave it in the comments. and I will see you next time.
Welcome to MathCats, where we aim to better understand mathematics. Join us weekly for discussions on elementary, high school, through to university math. You can request the next topic by leaving a comment on our YouTube channel or by emailing us at mathcats314@gmail.com. And as always, remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.